Welcome. In front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to use function keys on this laptop. So each PC got function keys. They are located at the top edge of your keyboard, and they have both primary and secondary functions. And the primary functions on each PC, for F1 for example, is to open a help menu. For F5 is to refresh or reload the page. F11 puts video on a full screen, and F12 opens developer tools in browsers. But your device has specific functions for each of these keys, and to unlock them you have to press Fn button and escape button at the same time, like this. And once you do that, you can use Fn button to mute system audio, F2 to decrease sound volume, to F3 to increase it, F4 to play previous track or previous chapter, F5 to play or to pause, F6 to play next track or chapter, F8 is used to switch to external display, F9 is used to enable search, F10 toggles keyboard backlight, and F11 is used to capture the screen, and F12 is simply an insert button. And that's all the functions I wanted to tell you about, so thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.